opinion. Today we are going to pay gratitude towards Mother Nature. Let's first relax ourselves by taking 3 deep breaths. Awesome! So let's start. Please repeat the sentences after me. Thank you, rivers and lakes, for giving us water to drink and use. Thank you, trees and plants, for giving us oxygen, shade and foods. Thank you, sun, for shining every day to give us heat and light. Thanks to the moon for giving us light in the dark. Thanks to the flower which spread its fragrance. Thank you for everything that the nature gave us abundantly. Let's all take a pledge today to take care of Mother Nature.